So, Jay here. What are you doing?
Sorry, Songkran!
Happy Songkran, everyone.
This is what happens in Songkran. You only get a little bit of water on the head. That's it. That's respectful.
Just
That's
go.
I told you I would teach you the respectful way to do it.
This is not your video. This is my video. Oh. Anyway.
You said respectfully. You want to teach the old Thai style.
Thank you for joining us here on our YouTube channel, 5 Star Marine. Woo woo! I'm Jay. Shaun's not here today. Well, he was here, but I've just sent him away. But today,
Happy Songkran! Oh, I love this. This is a fun game. Should we do this more?
Today,
Jay, my bucket's empty. What do I do?
For those who don't know, Shaun's just there throwing water over me.
I have a bucket.
This was not meant to happen. Today is all about the traditions of Songkran.
I found another bucket. It's a pink one.
That one was quite hard.
Another one.
As the scorching heat of April sweeps
Another pink one.
across Thailand.
Just to let you know, for your mental health, this is the thing to do.
We did this last year and I said to Shaun, don't do it again. It won't be funny. But no, he said, let's do it again.
Oh.
Let's do it again.
Jay is empty again.
Anyway, we haven't even started yet and you've run out of water.
Oh, I saw this in a movie on OnlyFans once. Oh, it's in your mouth. Oh.
Right.
So, what about Songkran?
As the scorching heat
Happy
of
Songkran, everybody. We love you.
This chair's really hot.
Oh, you want me to wet your butt?
Thank you very much.
What do you
Can I just do this, please?
Oh, yeah, sure. Sorry.
As the scorching heat of Songkran sweeps across Thailand, streets come alive, Shaun, with laughter, music, and the unmistakable sound of splashing water.
I didn't think it could shoot that long.
It's Songkran, the traditional Thai New Year festival.
If you are doing Songkran, these water pistols are too small.
Can I just say, I wrote a load of notes here to read about the history of Songkran and talk about, I'm supposed to do this whole thing where Songkran's a really nice festival and it's very traditional, and all basically what you should do is you go to the temple and you hold your hand out and they throw a little bit.
It's a lot better to have buckets.
No, it's...
This is a video that gives you advice on what to do on Songkran. Bring a bucket, not a gun.
What you want to do is go to a temple and you go and have a little blessing. And it's called a water blessing. You hold your hands out and they pour a little bit of water in your hat.
Like that?
What is that?
I don't know.
What has talcum powder got to do with the water festival?
You gave it to me.
Smell it to my eyes.
Oh,
and it smells a little. Oh, flipping heck. This is a bad idea. I can't see anything.
How long do you think it takes to get this
I need more water.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. One sec. Mix it all together, make it like clay.
As you'll see, listen, okay?
Hey, my gun's got no juice left.
Shaun's got no juice left.
Oh, I got it. Now, wash your face off. There you go.
Thank you very much.
It's almost run out.
Thank you very much.
Oh yeah, there it is.
This is the most ridiculous. Anyway.
What was the talcum powder for? You didn't tell them?
Well, no, I was going to get to that bit.
Oh, maybe just cut to that part.
Okay, so the traditions of Songkran, it's basically Thai New Year, and it happens every April around about the 14th, 13th.
Sorry, you looked a bit hot.
13th, 14th, and 15th. In some, you've blown my glasses off. That's how hard he hit me. In some areas, it goes on for a week. In Phuket, it's generally only one day. It's only one day. And you'll find that they do this a lot. I have no idea what the talcum powder on the face or the hair has to do with Songkran, but it happens.
You're like my little genie. I rub you and you could give me my wishes.
I did so well. Look, I printed all this off. I put them in white sheets. I've got this whole end bit where it says whether you're joining water fights on the streets of Bangkok or experiencing serene temple ceremonies in rural villages, or going nuts on Bangla Road. Let me finish!
My bucket's empty.
Just let me finish! Songkran promises an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Thai culture.
I found a hose, Jay.
And hospitality.
I found a hose.
So, I have no idea how this video is going to work. All it was Shaun just throwing a load of water at me. But bottom line, Songkran is coming up. Songkran is a major event here in Thailand and big in Phuket, and it is crazy. Luckily, they've locked the water, which is Shaun is shouting. You won't be able to hear him. He's walking around with a bucket. Can I just say, there's a water around the corner if you want to go get that water around the corner. Okay?
Oh, it's like if my fun has ended? No water.
Anyway, the reason we're wearing floral shirt, well, I'm wearing a floral shirt, is because that's what you wear on. So I have no idea this video. What are we doing?
Anyway, Songkran is all about having a great time, getting some people splashed and wet, and we wet them to cleanse them of their sins of the year.
Yeah, you need a few more buckets in to cleanse my sins, mate.
Yeah, no, I'm thinking about calling the fire department.
But look,
a hose.
Songkran is coming. It's on the 13th, 14th and 15th of April here in Phuket. We will be going...
And if you come to our office during those dates, we'll be celebrating here at Songkran, so please come prepared to get wet.
That's right. We all like getting wet, don't we, Shaun? Anyway, make sure you do come and see us here if you are in Phuket.
Do you have to go somewhere after this?
Yes, I do. I've got to do the school run.
Oh my God.
Yes, off for the school run. Luckily, I brought a change of clothes with me.
That's it. Happy Songkran, guys. Have a great time.
We'll be going out to Bangla Road to do a proper Songkran video, actually on Songkran, show you what we like. This was just an introduction to Songkran, and actually it was just for Shaun to throw water over me and put talcum powder on my face. Right, shall I tidy up?
See you guys. Comment, subscribe, like.
I should do that bit, really.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, and comment below.
I'm washing you off. I'm helping you to get ready for the school run.
I'm so pleased, honestly, I am so pleased I wrote all these notes that I wrote about Songkran. It was about, look, when did the water fight start? The water fight, the evolution of Songkran, the history of Songkran. I did everything, and all you wanted to do was bloody throw water at me.
Just so you
Pointless.
know.
No, you go and finish it off, I'm done.
Most of the tourists that come here don't understand what Songkran is all about. It's about a lot of fun and a lot of water. Honestly, these guns, you don't need them. Get the buckets. That's it, guys. Buckets like this. And just so you know, Jay's the one that bought the buckets and the colours. I don't know what he's telling me.